Hey guys, welcome to my Etsy channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to another Etsy video. On today's video, I'm going to talk about how to schedule pins on Pinterest for free. So if you currently don't have any type of software or tool that you're currently using to schedule pins, what you could do is use Pinterest feature that allows you to schedule a pin for free for a later time. So let's go ahead and do this quick tutorial. If this is your first time visiting my Etsy channel and you're interested in learning everything and anything related to Etsy, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will be adding tons of new videos for 2019, from Etsy tutorials to social media, how to grow your brand and how to increase your sales, and much, much more. So make sure that you subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be a really quick tutorial. It's only a few simple steps. So the first thing you want to do is have the image that you're going to go ahead and pin, have a link to the blog or the area, the landing page where you want it to land to, and then also have your verbatim as well as your tags. So I already prepared this beforehand for the sake of the video, so it won't be too long. So all you want to do is go ahead and select the plus sign to add a pin and click on create pin and go ahead and drag the file that you want. So this is a file that I want, and put the title. So I'm putting the title, 5 reasons to hide your Etsy sales history as soon as possible. And then I have my description already that I made. So I'm going to use this one. And then I'm going to also put my link. This is going to go directly to my blog. I'm going to pick the board that I want this to go to. So I'm just going to choose, for now, Etsy tutorials. And I'm going to go ahead and instead of pressing save, this is normally what I normally do. You press save. What you want to do is you want to come down here and it's going to give you the option of publish immediately or publish at a later date. So you want to click on publish at a later date. And then right here it's going to ask you, or you're going to see like a calendar, and you could pick the date that you want this pin. So today's Saturday, so if I wanted tomorrow on Sunday, I could pick the 6th, and then I could put the time right here. So I'm going to pick, let's do 11 a.m. Once you have this, you already published it at a later time. This is free. It's a part of Etsy feature, so you don't have to pay anything. You just save it, and that pin is going to be scheduled to publish on Sunday at 11 a.m. So this is how you could schedule pins on Pinterest for free. And you could do this a couple times a day. Like if you want to do like maybe 10 pins per day, you could schedule it throughout the day for a later time. You could schedule it throughout the week. And this is the quickest way to do it for free without having to pay anything additional, unless you want to use like a software like I do, which is called Tailwind, or any other software out there. But this is the quickest way to do it for free. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure that you leave a comment below if you have any questions about this tutorial or anything related to Pinterest. And thank you guys for watching. Have a terrific day.